fuels in the home. A fuel is a material that is burnt to produce energy in form of heat, light, and motion. The fuels include firewood, charcoal, paraffin, electricity, gas, biogas, solar, among others. Precautions to take while handling fuels in the home. The following precautions should be observed when using fuels in the home. Use in a well-ventilated room. Avoid using wood that flickers. Do not use wood from poisonous plants. Use red-hot charcoal. Keep children away from fuels. All equipment should be in good working condition and serviced regularly. All equipment should be turned off when not in use, and light the match before turning on the gas. Ways of conserving fuel. Fuel conservation is the economical use of fuel in the home. Fuels can be conserved using the following ways. Light the cooker just when ready to use. Light the cooker when ready. Ensuring all cooking equipment is in good working order. Use of clean equipment. The base of the pans and pots should be well fitting on the surface of the cooking unit. Use fuel-saving devices. Cover the food during cooking with a well-fitting lid.